I've been on a mission for great hair and great skin, trying to finish 2020 a hell of a lot better than it started. Hi, I'm Danny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am becoming a beauty guru. Definitely not. So I am not a hairstylist. I am not a makeup artist. I just want to be pretty and feel pretty and do all the things. So since 2020 has been pretty awful, I wanted to basically treat myself to an early Christmas gift. So we're gonna dive right in, and today's video is all about the Amika High Tide Waver. Ooh, this thing's putting out the heat. I have been wanting to get one of these waver things for a long time. My Hot Tools curling iron that I have, actually the top of it just broke the other day, so I didn't want to buy another Hot Tools curling iron. I wanted to try something new. So this is my first time using this new hair tool. I have come a long ways in learning to do my own hair. I've also dyed my hair this red color in a previous YouTube video, and I will leave the link to that transformation in the description below. I will also leave a link where you can get this for yourself, and I highly think that this should be on your Christmas list. And I haven't even used it yet. That is how much I think I already love this thing. So I cranked it up to 200, as high as it goes, and spritzed on a little bit of this old illuminating thermal protector that I've had in my sink for about 4 years. So there's still a little left. Use that just to give myself a little bit of protectant. And I just want to dive right in and see how this works and what we can do. This is basically a get ready with me, and you're gonna be my mirror. I'm really scared. I'm probably gonna end up burning myself. I have basically 2-day-old dirty hair because I just got it done. Okay, going in. I can't even see what I'm doing. This is gonna be real tricky. Okay, I'm like scared. This is the top. Okay. This does get a little warm. I can't really. I probably should have left my ends out a little bit more because I don't want to fry them, but okay. First row done. I obviously will need to work on making sure I'm clamped right. I'm like scared I'm gonna burn myself. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, so first clamp. So far I like this. This is kind of cool. Okay, feeling it. Oh no. Oh God. Oh, this is hard. This is gonna be tricky. Okay, so I'm wondering, I'm gonna go this way. Okay, I'm gonna go down on this side so I don't burn myself. I'm kind of just debating on how long to put this in for. Well, this is fun. Okay, so not the best on this side. I definitely didn't line any of that up because I don't want to burn myself. But I think I'm going to leave that just... I'm going to hit this side one more time. I'm trying to figure out too how long to leave this in for. Okay, this is cool. This should actually be a really fast way to do your hair, is what I'm hoping. So I'm gonna go up and do another row here. I'm so glad. I've been debating about dyeing my hair back blonde, but I wanted to do red one more time because I was feeling it. So far my hair is holding this curl really well. I'm gonna do this whole row like this. That's what we're gonna do here. It's kind of a thick chunk. I might have put too much hair in this one. This will be a test. It can hold a lot of hair, surprisingly. I just don't want to have the crimp look. That's why I went for this curling iron over the waver, like the triangle-y looking one, because I just didn't like the look of crimped hair. And I tried a friend's like crimper a long time ago, and I felt way too 80s. Okay, and again, I have a lot of hair up in here. So you can, oh, that was the bottom. Burned my finger. Ow. Okay. Oh, owie. That was a burn. I burned. Okay, I'm gonna, ow, that hurt my finger. Okay, note to self, hold the very middle and not the side. Ow, that hurt. Okay, first injury. It's probably why they have the glove in there and I did not put it on. It does come with a glove. And that is why. Like I said, I'm not a professional. This is my first time ever using like a curling iron like this. And I'm totally just doing it like, ow, I burned my fingertip. So far, this is really fast to use, which is what I like. I like getting ready really fast. So I need to take a little less hair, is the problem here. A little less hair. This might be my fastest YouTube video ever. So I'm just literally taking, okay, yeah. So I'm gonna use a little less hair this time because I'm trying to get my whole head in here. So I'm just gonna leave my hand off that. So far I like it. I'm gonna be excited to brush it out though to see how it looks brushed, to make sure that I don't have any weird creases. This is awesome. This might be my new favorite thing to use ever in my life. Super easy to use. You can definitely feel the heat. It is hot. Oh, that one wasn't the best. Definitely would use heat protectant when you're using this. I'm not good about using heat protectant when I curl my hair normally. So that's something that I've been trying to like really work on protecting my hair. But now that I dyed it red, this is the healthiest it's probably ever been. Okay. I feel like I look like I just got out of the ocean or something. I'm feeling this. This thing is worth every dollar. This is cool. This is what I'm gonna be scared of. I do not wanna look like I have crimped hair. Okay. So this is kind of, okay, this is kind of too big of a chunk. So I'm gonna do one more. Okay. Still feels like I have a little too much hair in here, but. So I probably wanted to go down a little farther on the top. I'm like feeling this. Okay. So less is more. I'm gonna kind of come down just a little bit from the root on the very top, I think, because I don't want it to be, I'm scared I'm gonna get a crease. Let the test. So I've been wanting to try these Amika products for a really long time, and now is my chance. Cruelty-free is a big thing for me, and I feel like it's really hard to find cruelty-free hair products. I still haven't found a shampoo that I like that's cruelty-free. I'm gonna leave my ends just out. This is really fast. I like getting ready really fast. Okay, last two sections. So far, so good. I've only burned myself one time. I went up too high right there. I'm kind of just eyeballing where to line it up. I'm obsessed with this thing, literally. I'm debating if I want to brush this out though or use like a wide tooth comb. Okay, last chunk. It's kind of a big one. And I'm gonna try to go where I did on this. I wish I would have brought that down a little bit as I went up higher. It's kind of hard to gauge where the last one went. So I'm kind of just guessing. I feel like I look like someone from the Addams Family. Okay, so just like that. It didn't take long at all. But obviously I don't want to leave it like this. So, okay, now what? I want to just let this sit for a minute just so it all cools down. And then I'm going to chance taking a brush to it. Just to kind of get this to soften. I feel like Jessica Rabbit. Okay, so here's what I didn't want to do. I definitely went up too high, so I would want to come down a little bit so I don't look like I'm like... So I probably would have started it here next time instead of right here. That was my first mistake. First tip, start farther down. And then I just kind of want to run my fingers through it. It is definitely wavy. Definitely wavy. It is beach waves, 100%. Okay. I don't like that I went way too high up here. Way too high. This was a bad idea right here. So I don't know how to fix that. I don't think there's anything to do to fix that right now. Too late. So yeah, don't start this high up. That is my only tip. This is beachy waves for sure. Fun. I feel like I have a ton of volume from that. Definitely a ton of volume. I don't have thick hair. I have a lot of thin hair, if that makes sense. I don't know if this would look cute as a headband, but I'm just trying. This might not look good at all. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Definitely gave me volume. Okay. It's kind of cute with a headband. I feel like a 12-year-old, but that's okay. So that is my first time using the Amika High Tide Deep Waver. That is my first time ever using a waver wand ever in my life. I think I did an okay job and only burned myself one time. Let's see. It does come with the glove, which I probably should have put on. I highly suggest using the glove that it comes with. I will probably use this next time. There's a reason why they give you these. Use it. Cool. I love the dry shampoo. This is my first time using this dry shampoo. Feeling that. It doesn't feel sticky, but I definitely can feel that I have some added volume. And then I also picked up this Amika Soul Food Nourishing Mask. I've never done a hair mask in my life, and I was told that this is a really good one. So I'm going to give this a whirl probably tomorrow because I want to see how long my hair lasts like this. And I am gonna run to the mall and kind of see if anyone compliments me. If they don't, maybe I just can't pull off this type of look, but I think it's kind of cute. So if you think this is cute, give me a thumbs up. I mean, this, yeah, I feel it. I just gotta fix this top part. Top part's not all there. So, all right, if this is not on your Christmas list, add it to your Christmas list. I think it is worth every dollar. I will probably have this curling iron until I die. So, cool. Thanks for watching today's video. Shop the links in the description below. I will leave all the products that I showed. And thanks for getting ready with me. I'll see you soon. Hit subscribe. Tell me I'm pretty.
That's cool.
Okay, Sarah, retell me what you just said. Sarah's here and she just said...
I like it.
You do.
I like it. I think it's cute. It's different.
She came out really excited.
Yeah. Don't get me excited.
Whatever. Okay, so first like. Okay, so I don't look like Jessica Rabbit that bad. But yeah, I need to fix these roots. See, I came up too high though. I should have started like just a little bit farther down, right? Because just like
I don't know.
Where do you start? Where would you start like doing this? That's what I was wondering. Like, where do we
I
start?
think it looks fine. I don't know.
Does it? Yeah, I like it.
I like it.
And I have like some. Should I put some texture spray in or just leave it?
Yeah. I spray it maybe a little bit. I think it looks more natural instead of just.
Okay. Do I look like Danny California?
Yes.
Thanks.
Sure.
Sure.